Hi everyone, I am Sakshi and today is day 42 of English Speaking Challenge. And today I am very proud that I have completed 42 days today, and today I am going to speak on a new topic, and that is the power of words. So let's start. So, we all humans have a tendency to speak. God has given us a great gift that we can speak, we can express our emotions, we can express our ideas, but this thing cannot be seen in case of animals. They are not able to express, they are not able to, yes, they can feel, we can feel them, but they can't able to express through words. So today I have chosen this topic because I thought that this is the important topic to discuss, that is the power of words. So in our day-to-day life we all use words, different kind of words, to express our feeling. Today I am also sitting here and expressing my thoughts, expressing my ideas through words only. So words is something that is invisible, but it can create an incredible outcome. For example, suppose someone says you that I believe in you, you will feel positive impact. And on the other hand, if someone says you that you can't do it, you will feel negative impact. Sometimes words can bring happiness in someone's face, and sometimes words can bring scars on someone's face. So it depends on how to use the words. We should remember that word is something that if delivered can't be taken back. Word is that type of sword which when delivered it doesn't come back. Word is that piece of paper which when delivered it can't be erased. There are millions of leaders or speakers express their thought through words only, and we express our emotions through words only. So words has really more power because it helps us to express our feeling, our emotions, everything. Sometimes it make joyful situation worse, or sometimes it makes worse situation joyful. So it depends on person to person. Sometimes some person are loved most and some person are hated most. Why? Because of their words, because of their behavior. So words really matter. We should think about that. If we are sitting in front of person and we are talking to him, we are communicating with him, we should think that what words we are delivering to him. Are the words kind or not? Because if words are not kind, we are not kind. Because it helps us to communicate, and if we hurt some other people who are deliberately listening to us, it may hurt ourselves too. So this was the topic today I have chosen. So from this I will conclude that words really matter the most. Word is that piece of paper which when written once can't be erased. Word is that thing which we should understand before delivering to someone, because if get delivered it can't be come back. It may hurt someone. For example, someone says you thank you, you will get positive impact. And if someone says you sorry, you will feel that he is feeling guilty, I should forgive him. So words really matters a lot. Thank you, sorry, these words make person feel happy. And well wishers, words that says good to by well wisher is also a very good word. Like I think that you are able to do it, I think I believe in you. See how positive it is when I am saying these words, that I think I believe in you. See how positive impact it is creating. So word is something that it can create positive impact, on the other side it may create negative impact on the other side too. So it depends on us how we use words. So that's all for today video. And if you are liking my video, please like, subscribe and comment. And if you are liking my video, please share it to your friends, share to your family. And that's all. Have a nice day. and have fun. Bye. Take care.